This is Gardener Gustavo. Today we'll be learning about plant growth and reproduction. First, you need to know about tropisms. A tropism is a plant's reaction to a stimulus. If a plant grows towards stimulus, it is called positive tropism. However, if a plant grows away from stimulus, it's called negative tropism. The three common stimuli are light, gravity, and touch. Phototropism is when a plant grows toward or away from sunlight. An example of positive tropism are sunflowers. Gravitropism is when a plant grows toward or away the pull of gravity. An example of gravitropism would be these root systems. Have you ever noticed one of your plants growing on the wall? This is called thigmotropism. It is the ability that some plants, like vines, have to grow on something they touch. This mandevilla exhibits thigmotropism. An essential part of gardening is knowing about plant hormones. Hormones are chemicals that affect plant growth. Auxins cause shoots and stems to grow in slow cell division. They also make plants longer. Cytokinins, on the other hand, cause cell division and make plants wider. Abscisic acid stops growing hormones from overgrowing and prevents seeds sprouting on the parent plant. Ethylene makes fruit ripen and closes xylem and phloem when leaves fall. Hormones are especially important to fertilizers. If you use too much, plants might die, so it's important to moderate fertilizer. Plants have different flowering periods that depend on critical night length. Poinsettias are short day plants because they flower when the nights are longer. Long day plants like potatoes need flower when nights are shorter. Day neutral plants, however, need the right temperature and moisture to bloom. This information helps you to know when your plants are going to bloom. Another important part of gardening is knowing about plant reproduction. In non-vascular plants, spores are used for reproduction. Gametes are made in gametophytes. Water is essential to non-vascular reproduction because the sperm needs to swim to the eggs. Zygotes remain attracted to gametophytes and turn to sporophytes. This cycle is called alternation of generations. Gymnosperms also have alternation of generations. On the other side of sperms are sori. The spores are scattered by wind and grow. Gymnosperms don't have flowers. However, they make seeds. If you look at a pine tree, that is the sporophyte. The male and female gametophytes are in the cones. When the seeds are ready, they fly into the air and eventually germinate. Angiosperms encase zygotes in seeds. The ovaries swell to form fruit that covers seeds, like this fruit here. Angiosperms have flowers that have four main parts. First up is the stamens, which are the male parts of a flower. Pollen-producing anthers grow on stalks named filaments. The carpels, female part of flower. Pollen gets carried by wind or animals to the stigma at the top. The stigma is on top of a tube called the style. At the bottom of the style is the ovary that has ovules. The ovules have unfertilized eggs. The petals have many different colors that attract pollinators. Sepals are leaf-like structures outside the petals. They protect the flower during development. Most are green, but some are colorful. Some plants have the ability to form a new plant if they have part of the parent plant cut off. The plants cut off are called cuttings. This plantain is the child of another plantain. There's so many plants in the world that somebody must have created them. That person is God. He created plants on the third day of creation. He also created us and put Adam to take care of the garden. That means God originally planned for mankind to take care of plants. Plants are not only used in gardens. They're used at churches, homes, as food, and medicine for decoration. This is Gardener Gustavo signing out.